Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to turn any mesh or model into a working NPC for game developers, okay, in RS Studio. Kasi last time my video got taken down because TikTok thought it was for exploiting, which is not. So kailangan ko talaga isabi yun. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, first, you guys need to find a free 3D model or pwede rin bumili kayo. And right now, I need a foot model kasi nag-comment sa video ko that I should add a foot. So, let's add that. Okay, first download the model that you want. Pero actually, you could actually just get the provided models nandun na sa RS Studio. So, let's do that. So, here we have the foot. And first, we're gonna need to group this into a model. After that, rename the meshes/model into a humanoid root part. Okay, there we go. And then after that, I'm gonna provide a script in the description so you guys can just copy that. And then you're gonna need to change the meshes/foot into the humanoid root part. Okay, ayan, look at what I'm doing. Also guys, while you're typing the script, around this part, this is gonna be customizable or editable. Hindi ko alam yung term, pero it's like it's based on how you want it, like how you want the damage to be, like how strong it is and how fast it is, like that, and what's the range, gano kalayo. So it's like your own idea, so you guys can just be creative here in this part. Okay, now that we're done, let's close that and let's test it. Okay, here we go. And there you have it, it works. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!